next dish is my coq au vin. This is starting to look really, really good. Our chicken is seared, okay? See that nice sear? This is the same results that you'll get in a cast iron pan.
Most non-sticks, you don't get the sear.
Now, we're gonna put the chicken in our pot. I start with bacon, carrots, parsnips, pearl onions or cipollini onions, mushrooms. Now, the coq au vin is ready for action.
Yes.
Are you ready?
I'm ready.
So we're just gonna deglaze with a little bit of brandy. Let me tell you, these pans can take the heat. You know that, huh?
Woo!
Yeah.
That's some serious heat.
Oh yeah, look at that.
Fire in the pan.
Fire in the pan, baby. We're gonna let that alcohol just sort of, you know, just evaporate a little bit. And now we go in with the red wine.
Awesome.
And we go in with a little bit of chicken broth. Okay, that's the base of the coq au vin. And then we're gonna go to the oven.
Okay.
Okay?
Yep.
And we got a nice sear on this chicken, and the veg is looking good too. So now we're gonna go back here. Oh, look how beautiful that is.
It's beautiful,
right?
yeah.
Now, I wanted to serve something with it. What I did is I actually have cauliflower.
Oh, nice.
We're gonna add butter,
Okay.
okay? We're gonna add butter to this. We're gonna add buttermilk.
Oh, buttermilk.
Buttermilk instead of cream. But what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna use a metal utensil.
That's not a utensil. That's my grandma's mixer.
Exactly.
Chef, you are the pro. And if you say you can beat this pan with a hand mixer, then this is a durable pan that really will last you a lifetime.
Now, what I'm gonna do, we'll turn it off. Now, we're gonna plate our chicken, our coq au vin, a whole chicken.
Whole chicken.
Doesn't that look phenomenal?
It really does.
And I'm telling you right now, it is gonna fall right off the bone. It is gonna be so yummy.
Yep.
Would you like to do the veg?
Absolutely.
Put as much of that vegetable and sauce on the chicken, back on the chicken as possible.
Keep those flavors going.
So now what we're gonna do is we're gonna go with the cauliflower. You know, I love it. How good does this look?
You know, the durable surface of these pots and pans, it will not scratch, it will not warp, it will not chip, peel, or dent. And this nonstick pan will stay non-stick. It's guaranteed for life.
Ah. You will be guaranteed for life if you start cooking like this.
And you can, because all these recipes are in the book that you're gonna get with your set.